Hi, Sophia. Will you show me where your favorite little seat is to sit? Show me how you sit in the refrigerator. Whoop. Oh, you want to take the camera case. Okay. Maybe that should go in the refrigerator. Show me where your favorite place is to sit. Your own little special seat. Show Mommy. Show me where you like to sit. Do you have your own special spot? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi. You want to show me where you like to sit down? Do you have your own special little cool spot? Peekaboo. Where's Sophia? There she is. Ah, how much fun. Where are you going? Are you going to come back? Oh, are you doing laps around the house? How much fun. Are you coming back, Sophia? Are you running away with the camera case? Hi. Oh, how much fun. How much fun. Hi, baby. Are you going to show me where you like to sit in the refrigerator? Will you show Mommy? Maybe the camera case would like to get a cool seat. Ah, peekaboo. I see you. Oh, how perfect. Sit down and relax for a while in the cool refrigerator. That's Sophia's favorite spot. Ah, what a great place to lounge. Delicious. And a good place for a snack too. Oh, are you showing off? Oh my goodness. How wonderful. Oh, hello. Thank you. Hi. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi. Where are you going with that camera case? How exciting. All right. Are you coming back? Where's Sophia? Oh, I can't find her anywhere. Oh, she sat down. Here she comes. Whee! Whee! How much fun. Love you. All right. Maybe one more rest in the refrigerator. Oh, you're not far enough back yet. Yeah, one more nice rest in the refrigerator. Ah, how relaxing. That's your favorite thing to do. Whoop! We missed it. Oops. That's what happens when your favorite seat is kind of slippery. Ah, is that better? What else do you have to say? Bye-bye.